blood clot DJ from a shot at selector boy.
YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, man. The Dan back in the lab. Yeah, man, this is what I do today. Yeah, man, I'm back with Vybz Kartel. You see me and say we're back with the world boss, the teacher himself. The one in your Miami Vice episode. Yeah, all the track, but the man finally dropped a video for it where he's actually in it. Not only that, the man in Miami. And me know exactly where this is, you know. I know exactly where I know these buildings where they're overlooking. I know exactly where Miami this is, bro. That's down the street, my boy. But anyway, shout out to Vybz Kartel. As you know, the one in Miami Vice episode is finally in the video, and it's a good look. Yeah, we're here for it, man. I'm missing for like 2 months. I've been on a hiatus, but I'm back and I'm catching up on everything that I've missed. Trust me, you know I've been gone for 2 months and this video's been out for a while. Anything I react to, I haven't seen it. Trust me, I'll be keeping it fresh and real for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do react to this right now. You don't know we're back and we're excited, gang. I hope y'all liking the setup and everything looking good. Let me know in the comment section. Also, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your notification for my live, guys. I'll be live streaming every day at 8 o'clock. I'll be talking about music, movies, sports, what's going on in the culture, as well as I be gaming, as well as I also be gaming on my live. Okay, I'll be multi-streaming on TikTok and YouTube. Also on Twitch sometime, but every time you see me live on YouTube, I'm live on TikTok and TikTok too. Every time you see me live on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. So I'm multi-streaming, guys. Come support me on my streaming journey. You see me? Yeah, man, we'll be lit. Also join the Discord. We're lit as hell in the Discord. A bunch of, but we now with Vibe much longer. We're back with Vybz Kartel, teacher on them Miami Vice episode. Don't worry, I'm catching up on everything I missed, gang. We're gonna jump through. No, not too much pause. Since we know the song already, we're not gonna do too much pause on this video. You see me? We're just gonna react to the video and let the vibe out and the girl them look good already. Let's get it. Rose rice.
Put your motherfucking hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup.
Yes, man. Put on the vibes. Girl in a bikini. Go at you.
In a the pool party, oh, like a scene from a movie, starring everybody. Oh, 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 oh. A Miami Vice episode. We are star and a feel show.
Clear. Easy now, man.
Hey, girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's forever. If you wanna, it's forever. If you wanna. Pretty girls not the pool all day. Beach ball for the ladies play.
Yeah, man. Pretty good girls in the pools all day. Beach ball for the... Go at you!
We have a bar beside the DJ and a one-class clown, you know the cliche. Nice. Me feel nice, me spliff drop. Inna the Rizla, the gift wrap. So me pull out the next.
I say me feel nice, me spliff drop. That's inna the Rizla, gift wrap.
One like ZJ Rush remix that. A Miami Vice episode.
Oh, I like her. I don't know if that's too much makeup on her, but I kind of like her. Let me see here. That's a little bit too much makeup on her. I like. Wait, what the? I like her. I don't know what makeup on the nose though, but I like her. I'm not sure. I think it's the makeup that makes her look like. I don't know.
Hey, girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's forever. If you wanna, it's forever. If you wanna. I love the beach vibes. Up in at the club night. Me love pool party. Come here, pretty girl, come wine for me. I love the beach vibes. Up in at the club night. Me love pool party. Come here, pretty girl, come here, pretty girl, come here, pretty girl. A Miami Vice episode.
Did he switch up some lyrics on this song? He switched out this song. I don't remember the song being exactly like this. He definitely changed some stuff.
We are star and a feel we sure. Hey, girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's forever. If you wanna, it's forever. If you wanna, put your motherfucking hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. A Miami Vice episode. We a star and a feel we show. Hey girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's forever. If you wanna, it's forever. If you wanna.